Not all planters are created equal. There are planters, and then there are stand with nature planters. They're made of Paulownia wood, the wood that could save our planet. In the last 100 years, we've made a mess. Air pollution, carbon emissions, and deforestation are devastating environmental threats. They're all interrelated. Now it's our job to clean up the mess we've made. We not only have to reduce our carbon emissions, we also have to draw down the carbon that's already in the atmosphere. New research shows that a worldwide tree planting program could remove 2/3 of all the emissions in the atmosphere. Unfortunately, the global demand for timber is increasing every year. We're cutting down trees faster than they can grow them. That's where Stand with Nature comes in. Paulownia trees are the fastest growing trees on Earth. When planted from seed, after 8 years, they will be the same size as a 40-year-old oak tree. The leaves of a Paulownia tree are huge. They absorb 10 times more carbon dioxide than any other tree in the world. 1 acre of Paulownia can absorb up to 90 metric tons of carbon per year. It also expels a massive amount of oxygen. Unlike most trees that take decades to provide usable timber, Paulownia yields excellent timber within 7 to 11 years. And after a Paulownia tree is cut, its stump becomes a mature tree again in as few as 5 years. It's also incredibly lightweight. It's half the weight of pine. And it's strong. It's called the aluminum of timber. Environmental groups are helping farmers around the world grow Paulownia plantations and interplanting between rows of edible crops. While they're helping to reverse carbon emissions, they're also helping prevent the deforestation of Earth's rainforests. Stand with Nature planters are made with eco-friendly Paulownia wood. Paulownia isn't just sustainable, it's also beautiful. With their new patent-pending drainage system, there's finally a premium wooden planter that's also functional. Your decision to buy eco-friendly Paulownia wood products makes an impact. Our campaign is about developing products that could help save the planet. The Stand with Nature planter is a strong symbol for reversing carbon emissions and deforestation by using eco-friendly Paulownia wood to grow plants. Together, we can make a difference, one planter at a time. We ask that you be the first to use Stand with Nature planters and lead by example. We need your help to deliver a simple but powerful message that governments and corporations can't ignore. I stand with nature.
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 I stand with nature.